just do better. What's the harm? Okay, I'm pretty sure that you have done things that you are not proud of. I know I have. But I just tell myself, tomorrow's a new day, and I can be a better mom than I was yesterday. Now, if that is all that you can do, then you're doing your best. But if you honestly have that in your mind, that you don't give a rat's ass, that you think you're perfect, and you know that you're just not going to do better and whatever, you have to answer to God. But everything, and here's the thing, you guys, everything you have done to me, here's the thing that I don't understand, okay? You have slandered my name in the fucking dirt so bad. You have done so much to me and my family, I have no words. If I did get a lawyer, you guys would go to jail. I will let you guys know right now, you guys would be going to jail. If I could really hire a lawyer, you guys would be toast. You guys would be fucking toast. Throw away the key and lock you up with all the amounts of evidence I have. But when the tables have turned, so it's okay for you to do that to me. Not that I'm doing nothing to you, because I don't even want to fucking touch you or talk about you, because that's how fucking disgusting you are. I don't have the time to sit there and talk about a creator that I fucking hate, because that's what we do, right? We don't talk about anybody because we hate that. I'm trying to say. But so my thing is that you get to slander my son's name. You get to call his school, dox my address, send stuff, death threats, all of the above, right? But just because I was talking about my book and about things that you guys have done to me, now you're going harder than ever. Why? Why? Because you don't want people to realize what you've done? You're trying to shut me up. I know you are. I know that's exactly what you're trying to do. You're literally trying to fucking shut me up. You want to try and scare me with all your scare tactics. But it's okay for you to hurt me beyond words, to body shame me, to make fun of me. And no one does a damn thing. But God forbid, y'all come at me when I don't go real life with you. All I'm doing is writing a story, writing my pain, speaking my truth. And all you're doing is trying to shut me up. If you thought it's all lies, why do you care? Why do you care? Because you know deep down inside, it's not lies, because you lived it with me, haters. You lived it with me. You've done the things that I talk about in my book. All I'm saying is that it's okay for you to do the things that you're doing to me, but I can't do what I want to do. Why won't you let me speak my truth? Are you afraid? Because if you weren't afraid, you would just let me do it. You wouldn't care. You'd just be like, it's a bunch of lies, just let her. But you're stopping me. For what? I don't get it. For my own mental health. And I came back because I'm ready to launch my new book. You know, I'm not a horrible person. And even though I wanted to use your names, like your TikTok names, in my book, I will not, okay? I will not. I will be the bigger person and just give you guys fake names, because the bottom line, it doesn't really matter if they really know who you are. That's not my point that I'm trying to make. My story is people can hurt you by words, videos, pictures, and it can leave a scar. So I will not use your names. I will come up with different names for all of you. But the people on here that have been following you for 4 years, they know it's you. They know it's you. You're welcome. Honestly, even if I did use your names, like let's say a TikTok name, okay, that you have on TikTok, right? It's on a public platform. And let's say you sue me. My confusion is if you took me to court and you say, well, she has me in her book, but they're all lies. Okay, well, I want you to understand this. What if let's just say I got a notice that you took me to court. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Submit all of my videos and evidence and pictures of what you've done, explaining that this is in my book. And show the judge, nope, this time I will have all my evidence beforehand, and I will submit it to the court. And say, no, Your Honor, watch these videos and read my book. Let's talk about slander. It's not slander. It's not defamation of character. It's called you hurt me so much. You have left a huge scar on my heart, a huge one. And I wrote this book to help with my pain and my therapy. And I want to share it with the world. And I want to share my truth. And I think I'm allowed to do that. I mean, I think anyone's allowed to do that, you know? I'm not here to hurt anybody. All I want is my truth. I've been silent for 3 years.